Silikali Niyatangaasa Kwambiiwa kwa Utemi wa Miti kwa Wingi Nthini wa Mititu ya Silikali Yonthe va Kenya uombolwa ni munene wa muvea wa Mititu KFS Dr. Clement Ngoriareng kavinda kala ukunenea umbanoni wa kuosania mawoni ma ene nthi musiini wa Masaku yulu wa itambia yeu vala ingi wawetakana miti ila ikutemwa ni ila mikuu ni kenda inenge mwanya uvandi wa miti ingi. Mwaniki witwa Mauvo Susan Kavili na ilivoti.
Ainena kikaloni cha kuosania maoni kwa NND yulu wa iseso iba musini wa Masaku Dr. Clement Ngoriareng nwawetakana miti ila ikwithwa itemwani ila inambewa miaka 3 kuma ya bandwa na niende na kwanangikana nikenda kunengano mwanya wa kuvandengi.
The harvesting is to target the over mature species. What we can only say is that yes, we know our tree cover is very low, and that is why we are calling everyone on board to make sure that we do planting. Our tree cover here is standing at 6.03% and the forest cover 2.6%. So even as we harvest, we are careful to ensure that we are not degrading. Instead, we are establishing more.
Ngoriareng ewetakana miti yaimwa kutemwa Silikali ithwa iyasia mamilioni mambesa na vala kauntini ya Masaku Silikali ikithwa antitema miti Mitituni ili na kwambia kuvanda mitingi.
The harvesting is not done. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to lose the value of these trees. Remember, we invested in planting or growing these trees, and the purpose was for commercial purposes so that we can harvest and utilize it. And therefore, not many plantations we have here in Machakos County. We are going to do the plantation, the harvesting in Iveti and Mumandu, just very small plantations that we developed some 20-30 years ago.
Onoweovo, Silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku nienda muvia wa Mititu kwikithia kana ilovia ila siukwatikana isesoni ni siatumika kwa maendeleo ma mwene nthi wa Masaku.
Let this go to benefit the local community. We have the local millers who should participate in the transparent process of the procurement, and we are asking the Kenya Forest Services to do positive discrimination to ensure the process benefits the local traders wenye watakata miti na even the transporters.
Ngilivoti ya vilingi wa Mauvo nitawa Susan Kavili.